Hello, Mr. and Mrs. How are you doing right now, all people? I hope you're doing well. So, on this channel, we will learn how to pronounce English with an American accent. So, if you are interested, please subscribe this channel and thank you so much. So, let's get started in this video.
I don't know how to order food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because like my babysitter, he go away just by myself. I'm very hungry.
And look at this word. He pronounced this word is very quickly. You know, and not pronounce this letter K because this letter K is silent. And native speakers sometimes pronounce some word very quickly like this. Very quickly this word pronounce no, I really up and down this word pronunciation. I really.
You know, I really, I, you know, I really, I, you know, I really, I, you know, I really, I don't know how to order food.
And he pronounced this word. Even I don't know how to order food. He pronounced this word. Even I don't know. Look at this word pronunciation. I don't know. I don't know. And look at this word letter T. Very slowly pronounce this letter T. In this time, he pronounced I don't know. I don't know. Very smoothly links together these two words. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to order food. And look at this word order. And you notice he pronounced this word order, not pronounce this word order, not pronounce this letter R, and he pronounced this word order. Order food. How to order food? How to order food? Even I don't know how to order food.
I don't know how to order food. I don't know how to order food. I don't know how to order food. I don't know how to order food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, yeah. Very quickly this word pronounced yeah, 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 yeah.
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 Yeah. And because
And he pronounced this word and because the very quickly this word pronounced the and look at this word. He pronounced this word because not he pronounced this word because no, this word correct pronunciation like a native speaker because and because up and down this word pronunciation because and because the very quickly this two word pronounced like a native speaker the
and because the and because the and because the and because like my babysitter
like my babysitter like my babysitter. And look at this word pronunciation like up and down this word pronunciation like this time e makes sound like my babysitter my babysitter sitter and not pronounce this T, and because this T is flap T, yeah, so that's why this T is not pronounced in this word. My babysitter. My babysitter.
Like my babysitter, like my babysitter, like my babysitter, like my babysitter. He go away just by myself.
And look at this word, he pronounced this word, he go away just by myself. And you focus this word, he pronounced this word just by myself, just by myself. Not pronounce this word just by myself. This word pronounce only just by myself. Not pronounce this letter T just by myself. Just by myself. Very smoothly links together these two words and very quickly pronounce like a native speaker these two words just by myself. He go away. He go away just by myself. Myself. He go away just by myself. He go away just by myself.
He go away just by myself. He go away just by myself. He go away just by myself. He go away just by myself. I'm very hungry.
And he pronounced this word is very quickly pronounced this word. I was very hungry. I was very hungry. And you notice he pronounced this word is very fast. I was very quickly this word pronounced I was. He pronounced this word I was very hungry. I was very hungry. Hungry. I was very hungry. I was very hungry.
I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.